Namaskar, this is Rutu Deepak. Today I'll demonstrate an experiment preparation of polymer. Okay, so the apparatus you will be needing is a small plastic cap, and a spatula. Next, let's have a look at the chemicals. You will need some formaldehyde, Resorcinol, and some hydrochloric acid. So, let's begin with our experiment. Take the little plastic cap and add 3 scoops of Resorcinol to it. Great! Now we have to add some formaldehyde to it. So let's add it. Add 15 drops of formaldehyde. Now before proceeding, we have to mix it well. So let's do it. Okay, now let's add some hydrochloric acid to it. We have to add 5 drops of hydrochloric acid to the mixture. Let's wait for some time. Soon you will see the results. Wow! It's so cool! As time goes on, it gradually gets pink in color. The mixture now starts to boil and soon hardens. Do not touch the cap as it might burn your hand. You can hold it after 5 to 7 minutes. Real nice. When formaldehyde reacts with Resorcinol in presence of hydrochloric acid as catalyst, condensation occurs and small molecules build up into large molecules to form a polymer. Such polymers are known as condensation polymers. When Resorcinol reacts with the formaldehyde, Resorcinol-formaldehyde polymer is obtained. And here, hydrochloric acid acts like a catalyst. Thank you.